Hey, what's up, Cruk? This is a quick demo video for you for your Romans MK1. This got a Rudy Pando crystal chamber. There's a lot of work involved in this guy, so I've had it for a little bit, doing a little bit here and there until I could finalize it and get it done for you. This is running a Proffie V2 that you get to from right here. You just want to unscrew this guy. This will come off. Pretty simplistic chassis here in the back. So what you've got is you've got your Proffie board right here, but you can access your SD card and your micro USB from right here. And then you've got a small recharge port right here and a kill switch. So this kill switch is set to off right now. We just come in here and flip it on, just like that. And we take this and screw this back on. So now that we've got the back screwed on, it's a 2-button setup, right? So you've got your main activation here. This has a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker in it. Good smooth swing. Your auxiliary is in the back. And we can just tap it to turn it off.
The Force will be with you, always.
Or you can twist it off. We'll do that one more time. Just like that. You got to press it down a little bit. I had to take this clamp card, I had to sand it and do a lot of modifications to the bottom of this bubble card in order to get these switches to work. The bubble card is not typically something I would use for a setup like this, but it's what goes with this saber, so I had to make it work, right? I like the circuitry cards a little bit better because you have a little bit more room to take material off, and then you get more play. But these ones work too. You just gotta give it a little something when you press it, just like that. Now to get to your crystal chamber, you want to take this guy. It's locked in place, right? So you want to take it, twist it a little bit clockwise until it stops. Now you can pull it straight up and you can twist it counterclockwise to lock it in place. And then you can see your crystal here. Now, of course, your emitter piece isn't going to light up right now because this is open. So what you want to do if you want this to light up, you have to close this up. And there, see, it's lighting up once it engages those pins. Just like that. And then you twist it back and close it down. So you can see the track that this set screw right here rides on. It's right here. You twist it to the track, it'll ride straight down, and then you can lock it back in place, just like that. All right. And then you have a recessed PCB in here, or I'm using the PCB cup because this emitter is so small that I have done these in the past where I put a regular blade in and it just is too wobbly, right? I've even used the stock ones where they've got the magnets, and the magnets don't work that well in this guy. I mean, it's just kind of a mess. The best thing to do for this saber is to get you a recessed blade so that you can use, you know, this PCB right here is held inside with a metal cup. It slides down, it locks in place with this set screw, and it's tight as can be. I mean, you could bang on stuff with this guy. It's so tight. I'm still trying to find somebody who can make that for you. I don't make them. I've got one I need to make. I'll never do it again, right? It's just not something I typically do. I don't typically make blades anyway, but I will find somebody who can make you a recessed blade. All right. So when you're all done with this guy, oh, I'm sorry, when you want to get to your soundtrack, hold down your power button for a second and let go. your sound venting is actually coming out of here, right? So these two holes, and you've got this slit right here. That's your sound venting because your speaker is right here. And do the same thing to turn it off. Hold it down for a second and let go, and that turns it off. And then when you're done messing with it, we just want to come back over here how we started, and we'll take that kill key that's right here, and we'll flip it back to off, which is just the opposite way, right? So now nothing's working. And then we'll take this and slide it back on. So yeah, that is your saber. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, I will try to get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks, man.